I don't think we'll ever get tired of shooting these videos and seeing those lovely spaces when they're all finished. That kitchen was in our Madoc range in the urban suede and the Highland stone with the brass rails. A fantastic contrast of colours, and they work so well in that space. Interestingly, with this project, the client had had previous designs done before they came to see us and hadn't found anything they were happy with. But when they walked into our showroom, they were taken by our front display, which is where the inspiration has come from for the design that we've installed. David went out to see the clients and measure the space as we do and take the brief of the bits and pieces that customers would like in the space to be included. And it was at that point where he's recognised that because it was an open plan space already, the existing kitchen, as you can see by these images now, was in the slightly smaller area of the room, and it wouldn't have taken a great deal of work to relocate it to the larger area, which would open up the opportunities for the design that you see. So there's a bank which has been able to incorporate the fridges, tall larder storage and the eye level waist height hide and slide ovens. A feature which is hugely sought after now, and almost always we're trying to incorporate them into the designs, and in this case they've worked perfectly. So the design has incorporated some breakfast bar seating, and it also has a central island so you can work all the way around all sides, and it now directly connects with the garden. One of the things that people in the summer times really appreciate is if you're going to do any outside cooking, having the sink local, you haven't got to cut through the dining room in this case anymore. And also the lighting and everything else, which was very, very well done in this property. Big fan of all the little accents that the clients have put in there. It looked fantastic. That's the end of this one. Thanks very much for watching. If you are not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe today. Or depending on which platform you're watching on, you can follow our pages, and we will see you in the next one real soon.